In this video, I'm going to show you how we can copy a range of cell values and paste them into a single cell. We'll start by creating the subroutine. So we'll just say sub range to cell. And we'll begin with our worksheet as WS as worksheet. And we'll set the worksheet as this workbook.sheets sheet 1. The next thing we want to do is create a range for the range of cells that we want to copy and the range in which we want to copy it into. So we'll begin with, let's say, data range as a range, and we'll do another variable for, we'll call it the paste cell as a range too. And we want to set each of those ranges, so we'll set the data range equals worksheet.range, and for in this case we're going to choose cell A2 to B12. A2 to B12. And then we're going to set the range in which we want to copy that into. So we'll set the paste cell equals worksheet.range. And in this case, we'll just paste these values into a single cell, and we'll just say it's B17. B17. The next thing we want to do is set our delimiter. So our string delimiter as a string. That's string. And we'll say that the string delimiter in this case is going to be a VB line feed. So that means it's going to put it onto a new line each time. Each time it goes through and pastes that in, you'll see each value will go onto a new line within the cell. So I'll show you whenever we do that. So, and the string, so dim str as a string, and we want to set the string equals, to begin with, is a VB null string. Right, and the last part is dim C as a range for a cell. So, and you'll see how this will work now. We'll do for each C in our data range. So for each cell in our data range, we're going to say that the string equals string and our string delimiter and, oh, I think I've done that wrong, delimiter and our cell.text, and then next C. And finally, the paste cell dot value will equal right string len string delimiter. Okay, so what it's going to do is it's going to grab all the cells from A2 to B12, and it's going to paste it into cell B17, and each value is going to go onto a new line within that cell. So let's run this and see it in action. And what have I done there? Let's see. String delimiter as a string. Let's change that. No, a typo. Okay, let's give that a run now that we have corrected that. We'll give it a go. Let's see. And there you have it. Side 4, bottom 1, top 2, top rail 3. So it's gone A, B, all the way through that, and it's put 1 on a new line, and that's the entire range into one cell. That's the formula bar up there. And if we want to change that, we don't have to put that onto a new line. We can change the delimiter to be something else. So in this case, let's say it's a comma. Let's run that again. And there you have it. And now this time it's all in the one line, but there is now a comma in between each one. Okay. And we can change the range if we want to include, let's say, to C12, and we can even just put a space or any character we want in there, even a pipe in. There you have it. Again, now it's changed all that. It's added the value of column C, so side 4, 747, and then it's gone to the next line. And yeah, that's it. And again, we can change that back to VB line feed if we want to put everything onto a new line. Or we can even add a space. That way everything is, again, there's just a space. So anything you want to do, you can put it in there. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more content just like this.